technology is a step ahead. Bring the Super Quattro engine with an unprecedented 116mm bore producing 205 HP** of pure adrenaline and 106.7 lb-ft of stunning torque, together with the semi-active suspension and electronic steering damper governed by the Öhlins Smart EC system, and technology takes a giant leap forward. The 1299 Panigale S stands apart with its full LED headlights, carbon fiber mudguard and forged wheels. Undoubtedly the most thrilling superbike on the market. The power values indicated above are measured using a chassis dynamometer. Homologated power data, as quoted in the bike registration document, are measured using an engine dynamometer according to the homologation regulation. The two power values may differ because of the different measurement equipments. The 1299 Panigale, with its 1285 cubic centimeters Super Quattro engine, raised the standards once again in terms of performance for super sports bikes on the international market. Thanks to incredible torque with a value of 144.6 Nm at 8,750 rpm, a dry weight of 166.5 kilograms, 367 pounds, and maximum power of 205 HP at 10,500 rpm. With an extremely high power-to-weight ratio, the 1299 Panigale is a new benchmark standard for very high-performance bikes. The urban sport bike. Introducing the new GSX250R, a fully fared street machine that brings the excitement and riding satisfaction of Suzuki's Katana sport bike heritage to a broader audience. Built to deliver the Katana's unique spirit to a new generation of riders, this sport bike has smart performance, engaging styling, and comfort features that will appeal to a broad base of enthusiasts. This approachable street sport bike features a proven, twin-cylinder, fuel-injected engine wrapped in stylish full-fairing bodywork. With responsive yet easy-to-control performance, exceptional fuel efficiency, nimble handling, and a comfortable riding position, the GSX250R is equally at home on the daily commute as it is on extended outings. A low seat height, slim fuel tank and overall lightweight makes the new GSX250R an exciting and unintimidating ride. 10-spoke aluminum wheels and tuned KYB suspension keep the bike nimble and responsive for city streets as well as open roads. With a 4-gallon fuel tank and highly efficient power plant, the GSX250R has a riding range of well over 250 miles. This new model adds to Suzuki's unrivaled selection of small displacement motorcycles created specifically to appeal to a variety of riders. From the terrific new Van 200, the sporty standard GW250, the classic-looking TU250X, and witness the phenomenon. The Ninja-registered trademark ZX Trademark 14R ABS motorcycle's ultra-powerful 1,441 cubic centimeters inline 4-cylinder engine puts it at the top of its class. Advanced electronics, an innovative monocoque frame and stunning bodywork makes the Ninja ZX14R ABS a sensation you have to see, and feel, to believe. As the flagship of Kawasaki's Ninja motorcycle lineup, the Ninja-registered trademark ZX Trademark 14R ABS utilizes big horsepower in a polished and refined manner for exceptionally smooth power delivery. With additional technologies like ABS brakes and traction control, The Ninja ZX14R is sure to please a wide range of experienced riders and riding styles. The dominating Ninja registered trademark ZX trademark 14R, Ninja registered trademark ZX trademark 10R and Ninja registered trademark ZX trademark 6R motorcycles return. Born on the racetrack, the Kawasaki Ninja registered trademark line of supersport motorcycles has dominated many road racing divisions, including the FIM Superbike World Championship, World SBK, in 2013, 2015 and 2016 with the Ninja registered trademark ZX trademark 10R. The same goes for the FIM Supersport World Championship Series with the championship win in 2015 and 2016 with the Ninja registered trademark ZX trademark 6R. Their proven performance on the racetrack has translated to sport bikes that deliver the thrill of racetrack precision to the streets. The Ninja ZX10R and Ninja ZX6R remain major forces to be reckoned with. Our world, your streets. The 2017 R1S features much of the same technology built into the R1 and R1M but with minor changes that make it the bike of choice for canyon carvers and commuters. Cutting-edge MotoGP registered trademark-derived cross-plane crankshaft engine. The 2016 YZF-R1S trademark features a lightweight and compact cross-plane crankshaft, inline 4-cylinder, 998 cubic centimeters high output engine, producing excellent power and a strong pulse of linear torque for stunning performance. Class-leading electronics package. The YZF-R1S features an advanced MotoGP registered trademark-inspired electronics package, a suite of interrelated technologies, enabling the rider to enjoy the fullest range of performance with great comfort, control, and ease of operation. MotoGP registered trademark level controllability. Featuring Yamaha's 6-axis inertial measurement unit, IMU, the 2016 R1S represents the state-of-the-art in digital riding control, where all riders can experience total 3D controllability. Total control. Superbikes have always been special machines, offering levels of power, handling, and refinement no other street bikes can match. The new 25th anniversary CBR1000RR is a superbike where the rider comes first. Where you get a degree of connection unlike anything in the class. Available in 3 distinct model options this year, it's designed to dominate in the most important category of all, rider satisfaction. The all-new 2017 CBR1000RR is lighter, more powerful, and faster than any CBR1000RR we've ever produced. Track days your specialty? Racetrack riding puts special demands on any machine, and you'll find Honda's new CBR1000RR SP is up to that challenge. Available in limited numbers, it has all the features of our new 2017 CBR1000RR, but adds premium Öhlins electronic suspension, Brembo brakes, a titanium muffler, and more. In addition to the SP, Honda is offering an even more exotic CBR1000RR SP2 in extremely limited numbers for the most serious enthusiasts and professional racers. The CBR1000RR SP2 incorporates all the special features of the CBR1000RR SP, and adds bigger intake and exhaust valves and lighter forged Marcassini wheels.